Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage a sales order in C2W Inventory. Create a sales order. Navigate to Sales, New Sales Order. We'll explore three main sections: the header, item details, and payment. Sales Order Header. First, select your customer. Once selected, all predefined customer information will automatically populate. The sales order number will be generated automatically by the system. The prefix for the sales order number is so-. Item details. Items can be added either manually or in batch using a predefined Excel format. Manually adding an item. Type the first few characters of the item number in the drop-down menu to filter and select your item. Then, specify the quantity and unit price. Batch add items. Use an Excel sheet formatted with 3 columns: item, quantity, unit price. Copy the data, Ctrl+C, and click Batch Copy Items. The system will automatically paste the data. Payment. The subtotal updates automatically as items are added or removed, representing the total item amount. Manually enter freight and discount. Input discount as a negative value. Tax is calculated based on the selected tax scheme. The total is the sum of subtotal plus freight plus discount plus tax. Manage Sales Order. Use the Manage Sales Order screen to search, edit, make payments, and navigate to Print and Email, pick Sales Order, and create Shipment screen. Key status fields include Status, which is inventory status, and Payment status. There are 3 possible values for the Status field. 1. Unfulfilled, nothing has been received. 2. Started, has been partially received. 3. Fulfilled, has been fully received. Payment status. Uninvoiced, unpaid, and paid. Click Mark Invoiced. After sending the invoice to the customer, the sales order payment status will be marked as invoiced. Click Mark Paid to record full payment, automatically updating the payment status to paid. The Mark Unpaid button allows you to undo the payment. Navigation links. The hyperlinks for payment terms, payment method, and taxing scheme allow you to navigate to the corresponding screens to make changes. The paid hyperlink navigates you to the payment screen as well. Up next, we'll cover how to manage sales order picking.